Hi guys, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ang nga po pala si Darwin Itagadan. At ngayon, alam niyo man kung nasaan ako. Nandito ako sa isang napakaganda na sapa dito sa BIRI Island. Akalain nyo naman, hindi lamang po puro dagat ang nakapalibot sa BIRI Island. Makikita nyo rin po dito ang tinatawag na, hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nito, nakalimutan ko eh. Yun, kasama ko nga pala si Alex Yutsino na kami lamang po kayong dalawa dito kasi maulan at walang gaanong tao na pumupunta. Tara, samahan niyo po ako.
I know what she has to hide. She will cut you deep inside. You should turn it on, 'cause you don't know what's behind those blue eyes. What's behind those blue eyes? What's behind those blue eyes? Turning heads and taking names, but in her mind it's all a game. She'll make you feel like you're the one, but you don't know what I know. I know what she's got for you. She will take your word.
Mga guys, ngayon nandito po tayo ngayon dito sa NAPANDONG dito sa SAMAR, BIRI Island. Akalain mo naman ba sa island ito ay meron pala ng ganito? Marap talaga, mabuhay ka ganito. Kaya
What I know, what I know. I know what she has to hide. She will cut you deep inside. You should turn it on, 'cause you don't know what's behind those blue eyes. What's behind those blue eyes? What's behind those blue eyes?
wow!
She's turning heads and taking names, but in her mind it's all a game. She'll make you feel like you're the one, but you don't know what I know. I know what